Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamia Lea. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and thank you guys for even clicking on this video because you're gonna appreciate it. Okay, so today, as y'all can see, my locks are out and they're locking, and yeah, I'm gonna make a half wig because I just need, I don't know, I just want something different, and I don't want long and curly, and I don't want something that's gonna be in my face that I have to part. So I was like, let me just do a cute little half wig. And I want to do something blonde, like right here at my shoulders. Really cute, really nice. Okay, so the hair that I'm using today is called Premium Now hair. Y'all, this hair is old. Okay, you're gonna be able to tell by the packaging. So this is how it looks. Premium Now. um I don't know where you can get this hair. Probably like the beauty supply store, but like now they have different type of hair. Like this hair is old because I have a bag, like a trash bag full of random little packs of beauty supply store hair, and this is one of them. Okay, and this is like really really old, like probably 2002, 2000. No, not 2002. But it is some old hair. It has been in the pack for a while, and you could just tell by how thick it is compared to the hair that we use now. And this it is 100% human hair, so you can tell by the way that it moves that it's just like the old school human hair that's a little thicker, and that's what I want. So this is like a yucky texture, and it's thick, so I might not even have to use the second pack that I have. So the other pack, because this the only, girl, this the only color 1 or 1B I have is the what I just showed you. So this is 1B 30. And so what I was thinking, like, put this on the top, this on the bottom, kind of something like this, kind of. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, let me get ready and we'll get started. All right, y'all. So I have my wig cap. I put my wig cap on just to hold my hair down or whatever. I have this, my bag, and I'm just going to bunch it up like this. Alright, so I'm going to do this like this, and I'm going to place it on my head, and I'm going to tuck the bag inside of my wig top. And this is going to protect our hair. I'm going to let y'all know it's going to be a whole lot of going on in the background, because y'all know how toddlers be. Alright, y'all, so now I'm just going to get my wig cap. This is just like a dome cap. Extra large, because girl, I got an extra large head. And you see how I got the, you can see me through it, so that means it got the little holes in it and it's breathable. So my hair is going to be getting a little air. Dang. Alright, y'all, so I'm just going to voice over the rest of this because I had a whole lot of going on in the background, and it's just, I was not feeling it. So after you tuck your cap into, I guess, your wig cap, or you ain't even got to tuck it really. Just go ahead and put your mesh dome cap over the plastic bag. This is to protect your hair so that you don't get any glue on your hair, okay? And it should look just like this when you're done. Now, what I like to do is go ahead and add some glue to the track because it's just going to make everything go by so much quicker, y'all. Like, go ahead and pre-glue probably like half or a quarter of the track at a time, and yeah, that'll get the job done quicker. And plus, once you put the glue on the track and you let it sit for like a couple seconds, it's gonna be tackier so that when you apply it, it's gonna hold easier, and it's not just gonna, you know how sometimes you lay your track and then it won't really stick. It's not just like this. Yeah, so you want to let your glue sit on the track for a couple seconds just to go ahead and get tacky so it'll stick. So basically, I'm just going from one ear to the other. Well, not one ear, from one side to the other with the tracks. Super easy. I'm starting off with black because I'm just going to use the colored tracks for highlights and really just extra pieces because I only got one pack of this hair, this black hair. So I was really just trying to make a cute little style, like, you know what I'm saying? So, super easy, just lay your tracks. Also, if you got something like some spritz, some gots to be glue spray, anything like that, you can also spray that on the track. That's going to help your track stick as well. You want to make sure when you put the glue on your track that you get enough glue on each end of the track so that that'll lay down. So you see how I just had to apply some of the glue to the little tip of that one track just a minute ago. So that's why you want to make sure that you get the ends of your track as well with glue. Okay. So here, as you can see, I am spraying some got to be glue spray on the track after I put the glue on. This is another method you can lay your tracks. You can use glue and then spray hairspray on it, spritz on it, whatever you want, any type of holding spray basically. And it's just gonna make your tracks lay longer. A lot of people are, I guess they get scared when it comes to like this type of hair glue, y'all. But let me tell you, it's super easy to me. This glue lasts a very long time, y'all. I've made wigs with this glue in the past, and I washed the wigs 2, 3, 4 times, and the glue has not lifted yet, y'all. So this is some really good glue. And then if you have a situation to where, okay, it starts lifting, say, on a track, all you have to do is apply some more glue and then just lay it down. That simple and that easy. So now that I'm here at the top, I'm just going to basically start filling in with the black hair and also this other colored hair. Now you notice this time I actually put the glue on the cap. This was just something I was just trying just to see if it stick better, and it didn't, y'all. So this experiment with the putting the glue on the cap first, I ain't really like it. So I would recommend putting the glue on the track first so that it sticks better. All right, so now as y'all can see, it's closing in. I've closed it into like a little U shape. And now I'm just going to start laying my tracks like straight across to close up the rest of the wig. And this is just going to make the top lay flatter, and it's going to get the headband look that we are going for. You know what I'm saying? So just lay those straight, those tracks going straight across, laying backwards. Is this called backwards? Just lay the track flat going toward the back of your head. Like you see what I'm doing. But yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm here at the last track, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lay that. So after this, what you want to do is go ahead and wash your hands. The glue come off super, super easy. So I just always like to wash my hands afterwards. Anyways, here I am, just giving Kyle a little snack, y'all, because he was like, he wanted a go-gurt. So I was like, here you go, you know. So now I'm just gonna comb the hair out. As y'all can see, it's coming out really nice and easy, y'all. And like I said, this is human hair, but it's just the old-fashioned human hair. So this hair is thicker, and this hair worked perfectly for this style. And look how it blended, y'all. That is just the cutest. That is the cutest. So I'm gonna take my flat iron and just run it through the hair, just to get it a little straighter. All right, y'all. So if you are natural and you are doing this, I recommend you get some hair that's a yaki texture, or that's they don't call it yaki texture these days. They call it what they call it, y'all. Give me a second. I can't think of it right now, but it's gonna come to me in a minute. But it's a thicker type of human hair. That's what you would want to get if you did a headband wig and you're natural, because even though like maybe your actual hair is curly and this hair is straight, when you put the wig on, like you still gonna have that little texture. Like, you're still gonna have that texture to your edges that says you're natural. And this has the texture to the hair that's gonna say you're natural, and we want to make it look natural. So try to get a texture that is close to your hair type. Okay. And it is really easy to do this with curly hair. That's like super easy to do. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna cut it because I want it like a blunt cut. And so that's why I'm just sectioning it off. All right, y'all. So after sectioning it off and getting the pigtails where I want it, I just went and cut above the pigtails, like really simple, really easy. I thought I had filmed it, but I didn't. So this is what it looked like once I cut it. And I should have left it like this, y'all. I should have left it like this, but I wanted it a little shorter. But now that I'm going back and looking at the video, I'm like, it was really cute like that. So yeah. So anyways, now you just want to take your wig cap off, take the bag out of the cap, and just pull the cap off. I mean, pull the bag out of the cap and throw the cap away. I'm sorry, I had like a little brain fart. Anyway, so now I'm just putting it on the wig, and I'm just gonna go through to try to make it more blunt. I did mess this cut up a little. So it ended up being a little shorter for me in the back and longer in the front. So this is how it was looking before I cut it again, which is still cute, and I should have left it here, but whatever. So anyways, after I finally got it cut, y'all, the way that I wanted it cut, I just went through and I bumped it with my straightener just like this. Really easy. Okay, so as you can see, I am done bumping it, y'all. And when I bump it and hold it, if you hold your curl for a little bit before you let it drop, it's just going to make it set. It's going to help it set and help it stay longer. So that's why I did that. And here I just got a little strand that's just out of place. And I'm just going to cut that off as well and even it up with the rest of my hair. So This is how it looks once I got done with all the cutting and the bumping and everything. And I'm going to show you guys how to apply the wig. So first things first, you want to go ahead and do your edges first. And if you got to tie them down, then do that. Because I had to do my edges, tie them down, and then put on the wig. Because you want your edges to be like nice and flat, just like this right here. And here I'm just tucking the rest of my locks under the wig. You can use a wig cap because I do put on a wig cap sometimes before I put this wig on. But just this time I was like, you know what? I ain't got time for it. So just put the wig on like this. If you want, you can sew some wig clips inside of your wig, but you don't have to. I'm not, just because I mean, I just don't. I just feel like it's secure enough already. So I just use bobby pins, just to bobby pin it on the side. I put like two on each side or whatever, just something like that. So once you have your wig on, just slide your band over it just like this. And then honey, you got a headband wig, period. You got a easy headband wig. You don't gotta order one, girl. You got one. And this is made with some little cheap hair that I had in my closet, as I said before. And do y'all see how good it came out? The color and everything, I love it. The texture is the best part to me. Like this thick natural type of feel it has to it, I really like it. And it moved really, really nicely. So yeah, I think that's it, y'all. I think that's all I gotta say for this video. I hope y'all like it. Let me know what y'all think about the highlights in this wig. Let me know if y'all want to see me do some more tutorials on how to make different type of wigs. Just let me know. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok at Slayed by Tamia. And on Instagram, I do have my winter cutie collection that is dropping tonight, because I'm gonna post this video tonight. Um, so at 12 a.m. on the 15th, you guys will be able to shop my store, and it will have wigs and clothes as well. I will list that in the description below. So this is my TikTok on how I did it. It's just a quick little tutorial, and it shows you how I switched the headbands up and all of that. I think that's it. I love you guys, and thank you so, so much for coming back to my channel and supporting me. Yeah, have a great day.